In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from an image with DeepSeek AI. No errors. By the end, you'll be able to turn any supported image into clean, editable text using a quick and reliable workflow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. From the results, click on the official DeepSeek website. Once the page loads, switch the interface to English by selecting the English option. This ensures the buttons and prompts you see match what I'm describing and avoids any confusion with translated labels. Next, select Start Now to open the main chat interface. You'll see a chat box at the bottom of the page. Near that box, look for the Upload or Attach File icon. It often appears as a paper clip or a small image icon. Click it to bring up your file picker. Choose the image you want to extract text from. DeepSeek supports common formats, including PNG, JPG, JPEG, GF, and BMP. For best results, pick the clearest version of your image you have. Sharp, high-contrast images with readable text will dramatically improve accuracy, while blurry photos or extreme angles can lead to mistakes. If you have multiple versions, select the one with the best lighting and least distortion. Click Open or Upload to attach the file. You'll see the image appear directly in the chat input area, confirming it's attached and ready. Now, in the chat box, type a clear instruction so the model knows exactly what you want. A great all-purpose prompt is, "Please extract all the text from this image accurately." If you need specific formatting, you can clarify within the same message. For example, asking to preserve line breaks, punctuation, or spacing as shown. Being explicit helps the model return precisely what you expect. When your instruction looks good, click Submit. DeepSeek will process the image and return the extracted text. Give it a moment, especially with larger or more detailed images. Once the output appears, scan it for special characters, numbers, and line breaks to make sure everything matches your source. If something looks off, it's often because the original image had low contrast or tiny fonts. In those cases, try a crisper version of the image and repeat the same upload and instruction process. That's it. With a clean upload, a supported format, and a clear prompt, you'll get accurate text extraction quickly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your images into ready-to-use text with DeepSeek.